go there and be flat. It will be useless. It might turn into another different compound that you might not understand what is happening to your skin. That's why I get a lot of people that do so much DIYs, and especially those that just go like, let me tell you something about the internet. There are so many truths on the internet, but there are so many lies on the internet. Some people just come in front of the camera, of course we're all here for the sake of the money, and just say things that they don't even know themselves. And other
It's Strong Case the Jam Maker.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Alright, today's video is on 2 botanical powders that should not be used in black soap. Alright, just permit me, this video I'm going to digress a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit of storytelling. Yes. Now let me start by explaining botanical. Now botanical is actually derived from plant extracts. Like when you hear botanical, definitely it has to do with plants. Yes, so these powders are plant extracts, and they have been found out to be safe for use in skin care, in skin lightening, in skin whitening as well. Okay, just because they are safe does not mean you shouldn't like try to discover these things or try to research more on these things. Like there was my video, I will link it below, where I talked about organic, inorganic, and natural. Like most organic ingredients, or let me call them organic compound, are chemically derived, even though they are God made. But they have some kind of chemical configuration that when you tamper with it, it could either result to a negative or positive result. Now, let me give you one very good example. Metal. If there's something metal does not want to get exposed to, is H2O, that is hydrogen and oxygen. And double H and oxygen gives you water. For those that didn't do chemistry, but for those of us that did chemistry would understand better. But then there's a compound called hydrogen, and then there's a compound called oxygen. Of course, that one is very popular. And then when there's 2 molecules of hydrogen and then 1 molecule of oxygen, it forms water. Now, metal is equally a compound, belonging to that inorganic table. And when it comes in contact with H2O, and that is water, what happens? It rusts. Yes. It leads to rust, and that's like an irreversible reaction. The moment a metal is rusted, you cannot really, even if you revamp it, it cannot just be like the first time. Am I clear here? So the same thing to these botanical powders. They have similar characteristics to inorganic compounds, even though they are plant derived. Some of them are acidic in nature, some of them are alkaline in nature. Some of them don't strive well in an acidic environment, some of them don't strive well in an alkaline environment. All right, coming back to my topic of today, 2 botanical powders that you should not add in your black soap. There's a video that I made to benefit of black soap, which I will link also again in the description box. Now, the black soap, if you look at it, it has a good amount of alkaline. Like it has a high alkaline level of close to 9 or 10 thereabouts. Yes, whatever type of African black soap, even if it's the Ghana black soap or the Nigerian black soap, it has that alkaline level. Okay, now these powders, these botanical powders, also have a certain degree of either alkalinity or acidity. Do you understand? And might not really do well in some environments, as I said earlier. Now, the first example of botanical powders you should not add in your black soap is the niacinamide, popularly known as vitamin B3. Let me tell you the beautiful benefit of niacinamide. Niacinamide is very good for all skin types, and that's the good thing about it. And it helps with inflammation, like when you're having pimples and the place is red, and it helps calm inflammation. And is a good powder, very safe powder for either lightening or whitening of the skin. But just because it's a good powder, it's a safe powder for lightening or whitening of the skin, you need to know where it's going to be more effective. Now, don't add niacinamide in your black soap. Yes, niacinamide has an alkalinity of about 4.5 to 5.6 level, and is not suitable in the black soap, because the black soap has higher, don't forget, because of the alkaline level of the black soap, it has the tendency to dry out your skin. When you add niacinamide inside, it's not it. Like, niacinamide just breaks down there. Like, it might even be useless. And honestly, vitamin B3 is something that is quite pricey. Most of these botanical powders, they are very pricey. So adding it into the black soap would not make sense. It will just go there and be flat. It will be useless. It might turn into another different compound that you might not understand what is happening to your skin. That's why I get a lot of people that do so much DIYs, and especially those that just go like, let me tell you something about the internet. There are so many truths on the internet, but there are so many lies on the internet. Some people just come in front of the camera, of course we're all here for the sake of the money, and just say things that they don't even know themselves, and other people see them, absorb them, and then use them, get negative results. Most of you know what exactly I'm talking about. Now, niacinamide, of course, with all the beautiful benefits, still is not supposed to make it to your African black soap. That's why you see when some people finish their DIYs, the so-called DIYs, they begin to complain. Hey, see, some will now say they made fake. You didn't make anything, you just didn't make your research properly, and that is why you ended up messing up with your skin. If I want other reason that even prompted this video was when I went to an organic shop, I met this lady buying powders, and last she bought black soap. Now only God knows if she's using those powders to make the formulation of that black soap. Now the second powder, most of you will be surprised, is the alpha arbutin. Yes, let me tell you the benefit of alpha arbutin. Alpha arbutin helps with melasma, it helps with freckles, it helps with hyperpigmentation. And guess what? Here in Nigeria, alpha arbutin is an expensive powder. You just see 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon, you're selling for almost 3,000, 4,000 naira. It's an expensive powder. Why would you want to waste that kind of powder in a black soap that will just mess up the powder? Now let me tell you something about alpha arbutin. It's been researched and shown that it has similar characteristics to hydroquinone. So maybe I'll say it's the junior brother to hydroquinone, or maybe the younger sister to hydroquinone. It has very similar characteristics. So that's to say that when you tamper with alpha arbutin, it will go back to his mother or his stepmother, that is hydroquinone. So when you add alpha arbutin in your black soap, it converts itself instantly to hydroquinone, and then before you know anything, you're using your black soap and it's giving you the characteristics of someone that is using hydroquinone. You now wonder what is going on here. You understand? And why waste such an expensive powder inside a black soap that does not need alpha arbutin? So this video, technically, I'm just trying to tell you 2 botanical powders that will not go in your black soap, and that's the niacinamide, popularly known as the vitamin B3, and then the second one is alpha arbutin. There are some other powders, but I just choose these 2 that are more popular and more readily available. Yes, so if you're interested in knowing powders that are good for black soap, just drop it in the comments, and then I'll make a video for that as well. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Like returning subscribers, thank you. Newcomers, welcome. And as usual, I love all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, share it as well. Thank you for those that have been sharing my video on their community. I really appreciate. God bless you. Thank you also for coming back to watch me. Thank you. So thank you. Bye.